Now, going one step further, speaking of 25-year-old landscaping stuff, what on earth am I going to end up doing over here when I get done? Am I going to put that same type of rock over in here? Well, before, if you were watching any of the videos, you would have seen I piled up, I dug out all the decomposed granite. Here it is over here. Decomposed granite. It's just granite that's been mashed up into almost like sand material and little bits like that. That's called decomposed granite, DG, if you ever hear that at a landscape place. Well, I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting that back in here about 2 inches, then put some brand new stuff on the very top of that. But I was talking to my wife, and I said, you know, there's nothing to say we couldn't do the same decomposed granite like over in here. You see this type of rock here? I mean, that was good for 25 years, but now it's got dirt in it. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. Plus I dug it back to try to look at the drip irrigation along here and all that kind of stuff. But just to make this look nicer, what could I do? Could I reuse those same rocks? And look at these rocks. And I dug up in here. That's why you can see the exposed sprinkler pipe. And I actually dug piles of this, moved it over so that I could find the drippers, because I wanted to bring these drippers all the way up into the different plants. And you see it's underneath a big old pine tree. You're going to get pine needles like this, and this is what it looks like forevermore. You know, you see all the pine needles over in here and stuff. And I told my wife, I said, hey, there's nothing to say we couldn't put decomposed granite over here where this concrete border is. They just pooped that out of a machine when they did. That's the same type of stuff they used over here when they do. Oh, look at the gray squirrel right there. Look at him. You see him? Here he is. Look at him. He's right there. There he is. Hello. Hello. He jumps up on the roof and jumps around and plays on that. There, he's going up the tree over there, and he just climbs right up the stucco. Well, in any case, the mowing strip. See the concrete mowing strip? They just poop that out of a machine, and then they kind of break it off so that you don't get crack lines. And then if tree roots ever raise this up, you can take that out and move it around, cut roots out, put it back down. You saw some of my other videos. I've done that. I already did that right here. I did that over there. I did that over there at least 3 different times. I did that over here. And that's the type of mowing strip stuff they have over here. They ran this over here 25 years ago. You can't even see it, can you? But it's there. It's there. It goes right along there. It is right there. It goes along, see over in there? I could take all this rock out, couldn't I? I could take this rock out and put decomposed granite right here, make this all look nice and clean, and take out these holly bushes. See this bush? This is called a holly bush. Don't ever plant that stuff. If you know anything about landscaping, you'll know that this stuff is a nightmare to get rid of because it sprouts all over the place. I had some sprouts over here. I had some over here. And there was a big bush right in there, and that holly had taken over, and I thought, I'm getting it out. Well, then it always comes back. And see, here's a little bit of holly there. There's some there. There's some there. On the other side of the house, same thing. I hate that stuff. Well, in any case, we can decide. I can get rid of that bush. Any of these bushes that I don't want necessarily in this area, I could get rid of and plant something else. Doesn't this bush look nice? This bush, this thing's never really done a whole lot. Maybe I tear it out and put something different in there. Maybe I chop that down and do it slightly different. Maybe I take this out right here, put decomposed granite in here, or leave that rock up to here, clean this out a little bit, put more rock there. I have this rock to put around the edge, don't I? I have this rock to put in here. They never did anything in here. You see? They put these stepping stones. You know what this stuff is? It's the bottom of broken pieces of roofing tile. Look at this. They just left it all in here. This is how it looks after 25 years, and there was nothing to ever put down here. So I could put that rock down in here, couldn't I? And the same thing with that front rock. I could clean all that stuff out, and I could use that rock, and I could put it in there. Okay, and the same thing. I was telling my wife, I said, hey, we could make this area look really nice. Some of these bushes are overgrown. Like I say, 25 years, it's overgrown. Maybe some of this stuff comes out, maybe some of it stays. But in any case, we got the same stuff over here. I've already torn out 3 or 4 different bushes I didn't like over here. And maybe we take some of this stuff, some blue of that, boom, boom, put something like that in here. So I don't necessarily like this bush. Maybe I tear it out. But either way, I had things going on in here too, so I had to pull the rock back. I had to look for the drip irrigation pipe. But see, all of the rock in here, it just looks awful. It just looks nasty after all this stuff. And if you put decomposed granite, at least you can rake the stuff, you can blow it off easier, you can refresh it a little bit better than you can these rocks. You know what I mean? So maybe I stopped the this rock right here, for instance, or maybe back, maybe where the gas meter is, straight across there. So when so from the street, when you look this way, most of that is decomposed granite to there before it transitions to the rock. So now I got all this rock to replenish a little bit over there. I got some of that rock to replenish over off to the side of the yard, and on the back side of that mowing strip. I call it a mowing strip, but that's just a decorative strip over there. Do you see what I mean? That way I can have decomposed granite in here, decomposed granite over there, put decomposed granite there, all along here, all along at least this area to the concrete strip. Boom, at least to there, right? Wouldn't that look a lot nicer? It would clean up the front of this yard, make it look a lot more presentable. So hey, what I'm trying to tell you is, when you start working on your 25-year-old landscaping, or if it's older than that, you gotta take into consideration different things. Hey, can you change things? Yeah, you can change things. Can you rip things out? Can you redo the sprinkler system? Can you redo the landscape drainage system? Can you redo different things? Yeah, of course you can. You don't have to pay somebody. If you have the time, the energy, and the patience, and a little bit of know-how from Video Joe on all these different videos that I'm showing you, you can save a ton of money. All right, that's it for now, because I got to get back to digging.